So welcome to Bank's drawing tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to be drawing a realistic nose. If you want to be able to draw a realistic nose like this, watch this video to the end, and this video is going to guide you through. So firstly, what we're going to start is by sketching out our drawing. We're trying to sketch as realistic as possible. Actually, I'm sketching this from my imagination, but you can also sketch from reference. I'm just trying to draw the basics of this nose. What you always understand from the nose is that the nose has two wings. So I've made my sketch. I'm trying to shade the darker part, the part that is pointing away from the light. These two parts of the wings are pointing away from the light, so it's getting dark. There's like a point in our nose, like a round ball on top of that, between the wings. So to indicate that, you have to shade around it to make it pop out a bit. So I'm really shading around the ball so that it could pop out a bit. Now I'm blending with my brush. I'm blending it to look really soft. I'm trying to shade the top of these wings, because the top of these wings are facing light, so it's not going to be in that shadow. It's going to get dark a bit, but it's not going to be in shadow. You can see that we're simply defining the nose. We're still going to go darker, but it's gradually. We're going to have slow transition between light and shadow. That's how value is. Now we're blending it through with our brush. So what I'm really doing now, I'm trying to shade this low part of the bridge of the nose, because it's really in shadow when it's not getting hit by light. It's only reflected light. You can see that I'm shading it dark. It's going to gradually get lighter when it comes forward, because you need that slow transition between dark and light. If not, our nose will not look good. Again, I'm drawing this from my imagination. You can find a reference photo, and when you follow a reference, you draw and shade what you see there. I'm just trying to show you the basics, the guidelines that you're going to follow when you're drawing yours. Now I'm drawing the nostrils, the hole in the nostrils. You can see it's really dark. It's not getting light. You can see that we are defining our nose. You can see how point is looking now. You can see it's really looking like nose now. You're going to be shading it around. You can see what I'm talking about. I'm going to get slow transition. I'm not going to immediately just shade that dark part and shade the light part. It's going to have slow transition between dark and light. This part of the nose is dark, is deep when you look at it. So it's going to be dark. So you're really getting our nose. I'm still blending with my brush. I'm trying to shade this part of the nose really dark, because it's the part of the nose that is not getting light. It's not getting much light, it's only getting reflected light. You can see that this curve of the nose at this bridge part, when it curves down, it's not getting light again. So that's what I indicated there with shadow. I'm trying not to shade the parts of my highlights because it's going to be really hard to erase if I shade those parts. I'm just going to leave it. We have like about 4 places where highlight is shown. 2 highlights in the wings, 1 on the pointed part of the nose, and the line on the bridge of the nose. Now I'm blending it again. When you're blending your drawing, it softens it. It gives you that great transition. So let's try to blend your brush. You can see that one. We are really forming our nose. With this guide, you can draw any nose. You can even draw a nose from different angle. Now this is our blended stump, the blended stump that we made. If you want to know how we made this blended stump, I'll put it down in the link. I'll put the link in the description. So check it out. It's really easy to make this blending stump, and it's really good for blending. You can see how good is blending all these our shades. Now I'm going to go over it with a darker pencil. And before I forget, I'm using charcoal pencil for my drawings. I usually like charcoal pencil. It doesn't give me that shiny shade that graphite pencil gives. I'm shading on the darker part of this drawing. Let me just point out one thing beginners artists make as mistake. When they're making their drawings, they just immediately shade something dark as it looks to them. When you're drawing something, you should actually go slowly darker. You don't actually go that dark. You don't quickly shade it that dark. I'm going to blend it again with my brush. Brush is really good for blending large area of place. You can see our nose now. Our nose is looking really good. This video will guide you through how to draw a nose like this. And please, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Now we're getting darker. I'm going over it with a darker charcoal pencil. This charcoal pencil is really very, very dark. You see why I darken this part, I darken the rest of the drawings. What you do is, when you're drawing, you shade and you compare. I'm going to use erasers to blend this part of the nose that I didn't really shade. All the corners of the nose so you can see it better. Now I'm trying to shade out and clean out the highlights. You can really see the highlights now. As soon as I'm done with this drawing, I'm going to blend it through. I'm still using my blended stump. When you're blending with this blended stump, it blends well. Blends really good. Don't forget to check the link in the description below. This blending stump is really easy to make, just with paper, seal tape, and wire. You can see really blended well. So we are done with the drawing. We are going to be shading the background. See, one thing beginner artists don't make, one mistake they make is that they shade. After their drawing, they don't work on their background. Just after your drawing, just try to add something to the background. It really improves your drawing a lot. Not working on your background is like a way of being lazy. I'm not saying you're lazy if you don't. Yeah, no, I'm not saying you're lazy if you don't shade your background. But try to work on your background so as to make it look better. I'm shading the background. You know, when you're shading the background, it helps you to it helps you also, it also helps you to control your shadings. When you're shading, you don't have to give lots of gaps. And you see, when I'm holding my pencil, I hold it at the tip. I don't do it like I'm writing. If not, if you finish your drawing, you're not going to be able to blend it well. It's going to have to give you that half outlines. Now I'm blending it through with my brush again. I already blended that left part of the drawing. Now I'm blending again with my blending stump. You can really see how good blending stump blends. The other things I use for blending, just like tissue paper and cotton balls, those materials are also good for blending. So the same thing I did on the left, I'm going to do it on the right part of this drawing. So it's also going to make it stand out better. You can see I'm actually doing the same thing to it. I'm making it look alive. Like it's going to look like it's going proper. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you love it. I hope it's helpful. Please tell me what you think in the comment below. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more drawing videos. Goodbye.